manage fee setup. So in this screen, we can see what fee is set up for which class. Okay, now there is nothing. I'm going to create it. Forget about transport hostel special fee. We can discuss about this later. Academic year. Select the class for which class you want to do the academic or tuition fee setup. Then click on, if the fees is different for different sections, you can create differently, but generally same fees will be there. Then I'm going to take the term 1 amount. I'm going to use 20,000. Due date June 10th. I'm going to add another one, term 2. I'm keeping same amount, but if you want to have different amounts also, you can have and keep. October, whatever you want to keep, you can keep. So based on the due date, you can send the video reminders. So whenever you are setuping, be very careful, review more than one time, then save. Because if this is wrong, then everything will be wrong. And December 10th, I'm keeping. So these dates you can have on your own. Don't tell like we don't have any dates. Give it at least some date so that system will understand when the due is coming. And if you want to send advanced reminders also, you can send advanced reminders. If you want to send late also reminders, if they are not paid at by this date, we can send the reminders.